I'm Christie, and welcome back to All About Food.
For today's video, we're going to make Banana Leche Flan Cake. We need 1/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons butter, 9 inches round baking pan, measuring spoon, turner, and a tongs. Caramelize the sugar. You can use other options. Please see the description below. Add white sugar to your hot baking pan. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to your caramel. Turn off the heat and set it aside. For leche flan, we need 10 egg yolks, 1/8 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 can condensed milk, 200 ml evaporated milk, glass containers, strainer, and a fork. Separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Add condensed milk, add evaporated milk, and add vanilla extract. Mix all the ingredients gently. Straining through a strainer or a fine mesh for a better texture of leche flan. And set it aside. For banana cake, we need 3/4 cup cake flour, 1/2 cup white sugar, 2 egg yolks, 1/4 cup butter, 1/4 cup sour milk, 1/2 cup mashed banana, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, mixing bowl, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, fork, wire whisk, beat the egg whites until softly. Mix all the dry ingredients. Mix it. Melt the butter. Combine egg yolks and banana. Add vanilla extract. Add butter. Add dry ingredients to your egg whites. Add the sour cream. And add all the wet ingredients. Mix it gently. Do not overmix. Preheat the oven. Brush some butter into the side of a baking pan. Put a wax paper on the side of your baking pan. If you'd like to know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Pour the leche flan mixture. Pour the banana cake mixture. In a larger tray, pour hot water outside your baking pan. This is called a water bath or bain-marie. Hot water should be at least half of the cake baking pan. Bake it for 1 hour at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it cool in a cooling rack. When it is completely cool, store in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Loosen the wax paper using a spatula or kitchen utensil. Transfer it into your plate or cake board. Remove the wax paper. Our finished product, Banana Leche Flan Cake.
If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majumbo Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.